Deep in the African savanna, a creature of remarkable resilience roams. It is the honey badger, also known as the ratel. Don't let its size fool you. This animal is tough. Pound for pound, it might be the toughest animal alive. The honey badger is famous for its fearless attitude. It never backs down from a fight. Lions, no problem. Leopards, bring it on. The honey badger fears no creature. It is a true survivor. The honey badger is built for battle. It has a thick, rubbery hide. This hide protects it from bites and stings. Its claws are long and sharp, perfect for digging and fighting. The honey badger is also incredibly strong for its size. Honey badgers live in Africa, the Middle East, and India. They prefer dry areas like grasslands and savannas. They are solitary creatures living and hunting alone. Their dens provide shelter from the heat and danger. The honey badger's reputation for fearlessness is well-deserved. Known for its tenacity and boldness, this small but mighty creature has earned a place in the animal kingdom as one of the most formidable opponents. It has several effective defenses that make it a tough target for predators. When threatened, the honey badger can adopt a defensive posture that signals it is ready to fight back. One of its most remarkable features is its loose skin, which allows it to twist and turn even when a predator has a hold on it. This unique adaptation makes it incredibly difficult for predators to maintain a grip. This makes it difficult for predators to get a good grip, often leading to the honey badger's escape. The loose skin acts almost like a built-in armor, providing an extra layer of protection. And if that wasn't enough, the honey badger can spray a foul-smelling liquid from its rear end. This noxious spray is a powerful deterrent to any attacker, causing them to retreat quickly. This is a powerful deterrent to any attacker. The smell is so potent that it can cause temporary blindness and severe discomfort, ensuring the honey badger's safety. Honey badgers are skilled hunters, using their keen sense of smell to locate prey. They are relentless in their pursuit, often digging into burrows and crevices to find their next meal. They eat a variety of prey including snakes, which they can subdue with their powerful jaws and sharp teeth. Their thick skin also provides protection against venomous bites. Rodents and birds are also on the menu, showcasing the honey badger's versatility as a predator. They are opportunistic feeders, taking advantage of whatever prey is available. They also love honey, hence their name. Their thick skin protects them from bee stings, allowing them to raid beehives with ease. This love for honey is so strong that they will endure multiple stings to get to the sweet reward. Their thick skin protects them from bee stings, allowing them to raid beehives with ease. This combination of fearlessness, defensive adaptations, and hunting prowess makes the honey badger a truly remarkable creature in the wild. Section 4. The Stuff of Legends, Tales of Bravery. In the animal kingdom, few creatures embody the spirit of bravery quite like the honey badger. Stories about honey badger bravery abound. These small yet fearless animals have earned a reputation for their tenacity and boldness. They have been known to fight off lions and hyenas many times their size. Despite their small stature, honey badgers do not back down from a challenge. One incredible story tells of a honey badger that was swallowed whole by a python. This tale is one of the most astonishing examples of their indomitable spirit. The honey badger actually clawed its way out of the snake's stomach, killing it in the process. This act of sheer willpower and survival is nothing short of extraordinary. These stories may seem unbelievable, but they are a testament to the honey badger's incredible resilience. Their ability to withstand and overcome seemingly insurmountable odds is truly inspiring. Their courage and determination are truly remarkable. Whether they are facing predators, navigating their environment, or simply surviving, honey badgers exemplify the essence of bravery in the wild. Section 5. The Science Behind the Spirit Understanding Honey Badger Fearlessness. Scientists believe that the honey badger's fearlessness is rooted in its biology. This small but mighty creature has fascinated researchers for years. They have a high pain tolerance, which is one of their most remarkable traits. This unique characteristic allows them to withstand bee stings and snake bites that would incapacitate other animals. This allows them to endure attacks that would cripple other animals. Their skin is also incredibly tough and loose, making it difficult for predators to get a firm grip. They also have a relentless and tenacious personality. Whether they are hunting for food or defending themselves, honey badgers show an unmatched level of determination. They simply do not give up easily. Their aggressive nature and fearless attitude make them formidable opponents, even against much larger animals. This combination of physical and mental toughness makes the honey badger an apex survivor. Their ability to adapt and thrive in various environments is truly extraordinary. It thrives in harsh environments where other animals struggle. From arid deserts to dense forests, the honey badger can be found in a wide range of habitats. It is a true testament to the power of nature's design. The honey badger's resilience and fearlessness are a perfect example of how evolution shapes the survival strategies of different species. Section 6. Conclusion: an enduring symbol of courage. The honey badger is more than just an animal. It is a symbol of unwavering courage and tenacity. It teaches us that size and strength are not everything. True power comes from within. The honey badger's indomitable spirit is an inspiration to us all. So the next time you are facing a challenge, remember the honey badger. Be fearless, be determined, never give up.